So this is the Wi-Fi array. This is our 802.11n Wi-Fi array. Here you've got the Wi-Fi switch controller in the center, along with radio boards on the outside. You've got your processor, you've got your FPGAs, you've got your memory, compact flash card. You also have a console port, a management port, and then 2 gig ports. What's really interesting with this solution, as it's in a circular pattern, as you can see, so that these are directional antennas. They overlap one another, so you get continual coverage in a 360-degree pattern, but you're able to segment out and load balance your users throughout that coverage area. So these directional antennas give you much further coverage area, and then containing all these radios, or I call them access points, into a single device, you're able to get much more user capacity as well as Wi-Fi density. Also, these radio boards can actually be removed, so they can come off. So for upgrades and whatnot, easy usability, and you just pop them back on. Also, the compact flashes are modular, the memory is modular. We've made this device to be upgradable. I mean, our hardware warranty on this is 5 years, so it works really well. This piece is actually part of the antenna design. Oh, I forgot to take the screws out. This piece is actually part of the antenna device as well. This is our reflector ring, and then we also have RF absorption foam that creates little chambers so that we can then push out that Wi-Fi signal in the direction that we want it to go.
What's that material made out of? I don't know if you're allowed to say or not, but I'm just curious.
I don't know.
Okay.
Secret sauce.
Can I'm just going to touch it here and let the viewers know. It's kind of like a thick foam. I guess so. It's kind of similar to the concept of the early days of Wi-Fi hacking, where people use Pringle cans to extend the range of Wi-Fi, right? So it kind of gives you that concept of being able to, right, to tune the frequency over distance, right, or to tune the signal over distance.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
And that's part of the reason why you have the extended range. How far out do you go with these devices? How much range?
So indoors, we've seen anywhere between 100 to 350 feet, depending on what type of environment you're in. If it's open, like a warehouse, if you're talking a cubicle environment. Outdoors, line of sight, we've seen these things go at least half mile between each other. With an external antenna, a high gain, we've seen these things go upwards of 10 miles. We're working with the U.S. government, in fact, on a couple different projects for outdoor range.
Fantastic. Thanks.